Hello everyone, it's Gabriel here for Gabby Angel Designs. In this video, I am coming to teach you how to change your picture from this to this in a 4 simple steps. If today is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe, like this video, and also comment under this video so that I can get more impressions from YouTube to grow this particular YouTube channel. Come on, let's start. Drag the background to this plus icon to duplicate the layer, or just command Ctrl plus J on your keyboard to duplicate the layer. After that, change the blend mode of the duplicated layer to vivid light. After that, command Ctrl plus I to invert the colors, or you can come to image adjustment and select invert. Okay, so after inverting the colors, come to filter, select other, choose high pass. Because of this image, I will maintain the 8.0 as my radius and command OK. Guys, after doing that, come to filter again, come to blur, come to Gaussian blur. Okay, with the Gaussian blur, because of this image, I will maintain the radius on 2.0. Command OK. So guys, after that, hold Alt on your keyboard and create layer mask like this, or just leave the Alt and create the layer mask. I want to show you some difference here. In layer mask, when you see this white color, it means visible. But when you see this black color, it means hide. So with this one, as you can see, the texture or the smooth skin that we need is being hidden. So you will command Alt plus creating the layer mask to get this black color, or just leave the Alt key and create this layer mask. After that, come to image, come to adjustment, and come to invert. You can see that it has converted to a black color. So it's the same as holding Alt to create the layer mask like this. So if you don't want to delay, just hold Alt and create the layer mask back once. So guys, after that, take your brush tool or just command B on your keyboard. Your brush tool will come. So now, see, let's brush. This is a simple trick. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so that anytime I am uploading any video, you'll be the first person to watch. Like this video, comment under this video, and also share this video to help others. Thank you for doing so. So guys, let's brush. So after creating the layer mask with this black color, make sure that your brush is on default colors. So just command B on your keyboard, you'll get the default color, that is white and black. So make sure that these colors, the white is at the top, because we are using the white color to make it visible, because with the layer mask we are having this black color over here. So guys, let's brush. Make sure that your foreground color is white. So let's brush it. So guys, as you can see, we are getting rid of the rough skin. We are getting rid of the raw rough skin. So guys, as you can see, we are getting rid of the rough skin. It's a simple trick. So if you are a photographer and you have a lot of pictures to retouch, just use this simple trick. Just use this simple method. It will help you so much. With this trick, I can use an hour to edit about 25 pictures. Yes. Guys, as you can see, we are getting rid of the blemishing. So guys, as you can see, this is our before and this is the after. But you can see that we are having some pimples in her face. So guys, command Control plus Shift plus Alt plus E to merge at the top. If you didn't add the Alt, you merge all the layers. So make sure to command Control plus Shift plus Alt plus E like this. It will merge and place it at the top of the layers. After that, command G on your keyboard or search for spot healing brush and let's remove all the pimples like this, like this, like this. So guys, as you can see, we are removing all the pimples from the lady's face. Guys, this brings us to the end of today's tutorials. If you haven't subscribed to Gabby Angel Designs YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. As you can see, I am having small subscribers, but meanwhile I have a lot of views. There are many people who enjoy my video but doesn't subscribe. Please don't do that. Don't be part of those people. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.